Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the February month this year, I gave this prediction that Yediyurappa will lose his job. He will be removed as Karnataka CM. So finally that prediction proved correct. Now what's going to happen next? Who will be the new Karnataka CM? There are 7 to 8 names which are there in the media. So finally who will get the job? Now these are the cards for Yediyurappa. So looks like end of a cycle, world card, but he has got a very good deal. That is also true. So he has reached some kind of understanding with national leadership for leaving this CM position. That is for sure. He has reached some kind of understanding because he will not be that active now in politics, but still he will have a decent control on what is happening. And the person who will be the next chief minister will also be close to him. Now, from which community? I checked Brahmin community for BL Santosh and Prahlad Joshi. Now, this is the card for Prahlad Joshi. He must be thinking that yes, now I'll get the job, but Tower card. All of a sudden, things changed. So, no Brahmin. Then, no Vokaliga. No Vokaliga. And Lingayat. So, for Lingayat, Page of Pentacles card. So, maybe a kind of CM, Deputy CM arrangement where Deputy CM will be from Veer Shaiva Lingayat community. Deputy CM will be from Veer Shaiva Lingayat community, but CM will be from other community. Now, Prahlad Joshi, no. C.T. Ravi, no. B.L. Santosh, no. These three are not. And also from Vokaliga community, no. So then remains Dalit community. So high chances that a compromise formula has been reached between Yediyurappa and national leaders, that they will make a Dalit leader as CM and a person who will be also close to Yediyurappa. That's what compromise formula I can make out. So looks like B. Sri Ramulu. B. Sri Ramulu is the person who has the chance of becoming CM, not B.Y. Raghavendra. B.Y. Raghavendra, Yediyurappa's son, will not become CM. B. Sri Ramulu is close to Yediyurappa. He is a Dalit leader and he is a known leader in Karnataka. Looks like B. Sri Ramulu will become CM of Karnataka. That's what I can make out from the limited names which I got from the media. Now, if there are any other names doing the rounds, please forward me. I'll check for them also. But from the limited names which I had, I checked for all of them, and looks like out of those few names, B. Sri Ramulu looks like becoming Chief Minister. or a Dalit chief minister I can see in Karnataka. Not Vokaliga, not Brahmin, a Dalit CM and Deputy CM from Veer Shaiva Lingayat community. That's my prediction. Thank you very much.